few things to pay attention to. One, you saw me kind of going back, preloading all of these bolts into the channel, and I'll have to go back and do that on each one of these pieces along the walls here. And you put those bolts in so that you can actually attach these in place since they fit in the channel there. On these number 31s, if you can see the number and you're not in the corner, you've probably got it right. If you can see the number in the corner, there's probably an arrow on the other side, and that arrow is supposed to be pointed in the corner. And so, once again, I'm about to start taking it all. Well, a few of them are right, a few of them are wrong, and if you don't get it right, stuff like that happens, and you can't get the bolts to line up. So, there's a lot of little dashes and not so fun stuff when trying to read this here. But it, I guess, right there, maybe is a little arrow, and that's supposed to mean that you put your arrow in the corner. And maybe if I read all the text, it'd probably say the same thing. I've just been referencing the pictures, but that's probably why I'm going back through it so much, undoing and redoing stuff, is because you see the layout and you just want to fly through it really quick, and you end up missing lots and lots of little details. Like, those mean you need 4 of the longer bolts to go in there. And each one of these, you can see, is supposed to be preloaded with a certain amount of bolts. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna have to assemble a few things, and as I'm going down, I'll have to pull the bottoms of all these number 14s out and load it full of bolts. Pay attention to where they are so that when I get up here to the top, I don't accidentally have my extra bolt down here and I need it up here past all the other braces. So I guess really pay attention. Or if you're like me and you're just going to look at the picture and say, I can do that, well, you can, but you're going to redo it a few times before it's actually right. So, back to redoing stuff.
have dealt with this a bit earlier, but as you can see, there's no hole in this piece here. So I gotta drill that out. I've kind of waited probably too long to do it, granting that this thing's starting to look like a greenhouse. But I figure better late than never. Alright, so that's done and hopefully assembled correctly. Still gotta tighten it up, but save that part for later. I did find that I had to take let's see, the nut coming from this side through, since I was going back after the fact to bolt that all together. So took that nut off and then I was able to get that one in.